Hello everyone, have you got a Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid and you've serviced the car, or the garage has, and they haven't reset the maintenance light? Well, this is how you do it. So you turn off the car, there we go, and then you look for that switch there. So you keep pressing it until you get the spanner light there. There you go, and then you hold down. Yep. Now that we've done that, let's turn the car on, make sure. And there you have it. No more service light. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.